Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to create a webinar. But first of all, you have to know what a webinar is. A webinar is a virtual tool that allows us to share conferencing events with remote locations. Webinars are sometimes referred to as interactive conferences or online workshops. Now, the first step that we need to have is the Gmail account. So we are going to search for the Gmail homepage. Since I already created one, we are going to skip this step and we are going to open a new tab in which we are going to write Google Class. Here we have our Gmail account and we have to write the password. And we log in. Here we are in the home page. We are going to look for Hangouts and we are going to click on Hangouts on Air. Then we have this new tab in which you have to put the title of your seminary or your conference. For example, in this case is how to create a webinar. Then you have more space in which you can give a brief explanation of your video or your conference. In this case is a tutorial. And we have another option here in which you can click on right now or later. If you click on right now, you will share your video right now. If you click later, your video will share. You will share your video later. And here we have the option of inviting more people. For example, we can add some friends to our conference and then we click on share. Here we have the option of start recording the video and we click on it. Here we have the tab in which we can start recording our video or in which we can develop our seminar or conference. Here we have an important tool that is chat that can give you a little more interactive interaction with your students. For example, they can write some questions for you, or you can even write some question for them and you can answer them also. For example, what is a webinar? Here we have. Then when you finish to do it, or when you finish recording it, you go to this part on the bottom of the screen and you click on links, and the little box will appear. Here you have the links that you can use even in a web page. We are going to copy the link for YouTube. We copy, then we open a new tab in which you will paste the new link, and now we are watching our video on YouTube. Now we come back to the previous tab and we can see that we can change, or we have many tools inside of this ICT that are really useful and even are one of the most useful tools nowadays, since technology is so important in education. We can go far of our schools, or we can travel to another country, and even we can teach our students from another place or from remote locations, and we can still teaching them. Why? Because this is a video that can be shared for YouTube. That is a way in which many students can continue learning with us. So this is all for me, and thank you for your attention.